We visited the Anne Frank house in Amsterdam, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about our experience. So we are here at the Anne Frank house in Amsterdam, and I have to say something you definitely need to do. There are certain rules for getting tickets. You have to reserve them 6 weeks in advance. I'll put all the details below on that. But we just got done, and it was pretty emotional. It was quite the experience. I don't even really know what to say about it. Eric was here 30 years ago, right? 30 years ago. And he said it was such a different experience. Now they built up a whole museum around it, and so the experience is more about learning what happened than really seeing the attic. You walk through all of it, although they've closed off the really top part of the attic. So you really don't get to see that. But it was an experience, and you realize that, I'm here and I'm in this place where these people hid for years. So definitely worth coming down to. Again, I'll put details on all the tickets and everything below. Make sure you do this when you're in Amsterdam though. So you actually can't take photo or video inside the actual attic, which is why this video is fairly short. But here is the actual outline of the 2 floors of the attic right here. Like I said, you have to get your tickets 6 weeks in advance, and you can only do it on their website. They're really not available anywhere else. So I'm going to put all the details below about exactly how to get your tickets. I want to warn you to prepare yourself for this experience, because I thought I was prepared, but it is very, very emotional, and I left pretty emotional. So just make sure you understand what you're going into, what the history of all of this is, and that this is a real place and all of this really happened. But beyond that, I would say you should definitely do it. Number one thing you should do when you visit Amsterdam.